Got Roberto here. Roberto. Roberto did the work. GTO. Good work. Now installing the wind chill. Got the tape, guys. Break the glass, Roberto. This machine soon be in the road. Be in the road soon, guys. Soon, pretty soon. See, this is a tape, masking tape. When we remove the windshield, it has to cover the back of the car. This is was plenty rain. Get this, yeah. Need to sand it down properly. Get a pin over. What color, Roberto? You think it would go? Black, red, silver? Black?
Red and
Red?
black.
Red and black?
Yeah, combination.
Yeah, maybe a good combination, red and black. Yeah. Be good there, red and black. How much quarter paint do you think you will need for this?
Huh?
How much paint do you think you will need for this?
1 gallon.
1 gallon?
Yeah.
Red?
1 gallon.
And half black?
Half black, half red.
Oh, half black, half black. Oh, okay. Okay, I see. Half black, half red. That sounds good. In the wheels, in the tires, keep the rings. But there, overall car look good. Red, we'll see. Ready for the windshield? Almost. Okay, probably need a little bit more right here.
Yeah, yeah.
Pressure and everything. This small house. This is my everyday drive, guys. You can see here. It's Audi. Audi A3 2.0. Fast car. Right now having a little issues with issues with transmission. First gear give me a little problem. When then solenoid, first gear solenoid, I guess. When moving to second is slamming a little bit. I said once the car is cool, it's running fine, but once it's kind of warm, give me a little pull into it. Don't get it fixed. I just need to fix this one first. Need to get this one on the road. If anybody want buy it, interested to get it, just let me know. We can discuss the price. Engine is, I would say overall 8 out of 10.
I think ready now.
You ready?
Yeah.
Go. All right.